You're watching K News HD International. The recognition of the service of Sahiwal female journalist colleague, the Print Media Association decorated a beautiful decoration in the recognition of the service of women journalists of Sahiwal by the Print Media Association. An event was organized at Sahiwal Arts Council under the chairmanship Assistant Commissioner General Alize Rehan was the chief guest. Sadia Mazhar will the guest of honor. Alvira Waqas, Aisha Miraj, Fawzia Raghib, Dr. Uzma Chaudhry, who were also given shield for this outstanding services in journalism. Director Public Relations Muhammad Akil Ashfaq, President Press Club Chichawatni, Siddiq Sarfaraz Chishti, Vice President Press Club Sahiwal Mia Wasim Riaz, Amir Jamatul Islami Tayyib Mahmood Baloch, former Vice President District Bar Sahiwal Abid Khokar, social worker Najma Nazir, President Print Media Association Brana Waheed, General Secretary Rao Atiq, Senior Vice President Malik Asif Nawaz Awan, Vice President Kashif Mushtaq Bhatti, and other addresses and men related to journalism, police, lawyers, students, and other sectors of life, including Imtiaz. A large number of women participate. AC General Alize Rehan will be addressing a ceremony said that for the forming of society, men and women need to be understood and recognized instead to compete with each other. He said that the field of journalism is a scared profession and women associated with this field have to face various challenges. He said that there is a need to aggressive movement associated with field of journalism so that they can also play an important role in the development of Pakistan. The role play of women in journalism and all fields was highlighted at the end of the ceremony. Certificate of appreciation and shield was also given to the women associated with journalism. At the end, tea off was served to the attendees. The participate appreciation of effort of print media officials and members. Rana Salim, Sheikh Majid, Hassan Abdullah Naz, Malik Irfan, Sayyid Haris Ali Shah Irshad Kambo, Ali Raza, Wasim, Akhtar Hassan, AD Naseem Sipra, and others.